10 places that don't feel real. Most of you visited the lakes that certainly would have crystal clear water, with mountains rolling around them. But how many saw a lake with rose-colored water? There are still a number of spots on Earth that challenges the rules of nature and break them with their distinctiveness. These are places that don't feel real. However, they are still not aliens or from the other planets. Let's get into the details of the 10 most unusual places that don't feel real at all. Number 10. Socotra Island, Yemen. Socotra Island is situated in Yemen and is remarkably rich with a variety of plants and animal species. Flora and fauna of Socotra Island are so distinct that they are only present in this region. Every tourist wants to visit this unique place on Earth. Number 9. The Hand in the Desert, Chile. The Hand in the Desert is located in South America and looks like a place that doesn't feel real. It seems as if some artists carved the hills in the middle of the desert skillfully, or a giant is waiting just under the earth and struggling to get out. Number 8. Chocolate Hills of Bohol Island, Philippines. The Chocolate Hills of Bohol Island are located in the Philippines and stretch over the largest territory. There are around 1,300 yellow hills within 50 square kilometers. The yellowish color of the hills comes from grass that turns yellow because of the scarcity of water. Number 7. The Tianzi Mountains, China. The Tianzi Mountains are located in China and a place that doesn't feel real. The highest peak of Wulingyuan is present in the same region. The famous movie Avatar was also filmed in the same stunning peaks. The 4 popular wonders are also part of the same territory: rays of sunshine and the sea of clouds. Number 6. Badab-e Surt, Iran. Badab-e Surt is an unrealistic place on Earth located in Iran. It is formed because of the flowing of water over the mountains. For thousands of years, from 6,000 feet above sea level, the water dissolves a lot of minerals that comes its way. The interesting thing about the water is, it does not freeze even in winter. Number 5. Lake Hillier, Western Australia. Lake Hillier is a saline lake situated in Western Australia's Research Archipelago, and a place that doesn't feel real because of its deep pink water. The pink color of the lake comes from the presence of salt-loving algae species and pink bacteria called halobacteria. Number 4. Pamukkale, Turkey. Pamukkale is located in Turkey and is one of the places that doesn't feel real. The turquoise water naturally falls from the top pool to the lower hills. It is the best public spot to visit in Turkey. You can also swim in the pools, as 2 of them are open to travelers: the public Travertine Pool and Cleopatra's Pool. Number 3. Thors Well, Oregon, USA. Thors Well is located in Oregon, USA, a weird place in the world. It's around a 6-meter deep hole that legends say is created by thunder when it strikes the earth. The well is also termed the drainpipe of the Pacific. The place is dangerous, so it's better you stay away and stick to the paved path only. Number 2. The Giant's Causeway, Northern Ireland. The Giant's Causeway is located in North Ireland. That doesn't feel real. These are 40,000 black basalt columns that are standing against the Sea of Scotland. The locals have an interesting story, or myth behind the bizarre structure. The Giant's Causeway is the hurdle between two giants that were present on the different islands to stop them from fighting. Number 1. Spotted Lake, British Columbia, Canada. Spotted Lake is the most unreal place on Earth that is situated in British Columbia, Canada. Standing at the bank of the Spotted Lake and having an experience of a stunning sunset by looking at the reflection of the sun on the surface of the lake is awesome to observe.